it's Faye. Let me remove my hair out of my face. How's that for you, Nancy? I've been like trying to grow out my eyebrows lately. It's like working. Remember when I had like the bald spot? Well, none no more. Come at me. Oh, eye contact. This is how it looks like. It's wow, it's very small. She like it small. By the way, I get some questions about like who does my nails. This untalented girl. Let me know you want to see nail tutorial because I'm not gonna do it. I suck though. Take your sweet time. No one's rushing you. Thanks. Almost there. So I got the color dark brown. Yes, I have my rubber bands in my mouth. Someone commented, do you have an S defect? I guess. Insecure. Don't bring up my defect. Oh, I hate directions. Hey man, how are you doing? Yeah, just move you closer. You're welcome. Welcome to another ASMR. Yes, my eyebrows are growing really well. Thank you very much. Yeah, so, oh wait. Well, this is how it looks like. It looks like Krusty Krab claws. That's what I'm going for. So this is how it looks like. Sorry, I was praying. Okay. So you just want to start here, I guess, and flick upward. So you just want to follow the natural growth in here, going. Oh wow! Hey. So it doesn't match my hair. She's got black. But I was thinking like this will match my hair here. It's all good in the hood. Yo, come through, sis. You just want to follow the natural growth of your hair. Flick up, and start filling it in. Like once you reach here, wow! It makes it so easy. Because it's creating the fake strokes for you. What the fuckery is this? Oof! Well, this is gonna be a quick ass video. Hunty, come through. Do you see that? I'm just gonna go in the areas I feel like there. Oh, sorry, yes. The areas I feel like there are gaps. So like right here, bridge over my life with my life choices, fill in that gap of my dreams and my insecurities. I'm gonna create fake hairs right here, okay? Wow. Okay, so you don't want to like keep going over and over because it starts smudging and it looks like not that cute. Let me just show you real quick. Okay, like that is the idea. You see? No? Ran out. Okay. Yeah, like. Oh. Is this thing waterproof? It's drying out. Maybe I need to put the lid back on and shake it. Like, give it some time, you know? It needs a moment. It's like going through a lot. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Flick. Okay, like it's running out. Like, come through. What the fuck? Yeah, okay. I give up. It does give you a cute little ear flick. I think it's because my eyebrow hairs are black and this thing is brown, so it's now looking too snatched. It looks a little bit more smudged in the front than it does microbladed. I mean, since this eyebrow is already messed up, should we just experiment? I will show you guys in depth. You see what I mean? Like, oh. Okay, alright, I see you. Wow. Okay, don't be too like wimpy like me. Use a little pressure and flick it, you know what I mean? Maybe you can do that and then like wipe it like this. Do you understand? All in all, I think you should try this on your own and figure out your own solution. Error and trial this yourself. Ow! My contacts. Use a little bit of pressure and pressing it down a little harder to get the darker strokes. It makes it look more microbladed. If you use a light hand, it's gonna look all smudgy. I don't hate it, I do like it, but yeah, it just takes some getting used to, I guess you can say. If you like the turnout of this eyebrow, then try it. Like this video if you are planning to go to the BTS concerts. I want to go. I don't know if I'm going yet because, you know, tickets, anxiety, stress. And also, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you guys will know about going to Korea with me. It's not really with me, but I'll be there. You guys have to stay tuned on my channel to find out what it is. Make sure to click the notification bell. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.